and I got these seeds. You guys can see my cat. She's acting extra crazy. Okay, so you guys, I went to the Dollar Tree store. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be doing some gardening in my balcony. Perfect for spring. I'll show you what I'm propagating, repotting, and some cute Dollar Tree store finds for the garden. So continue watching and stay tuned. It's going to be a fun video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey, comment down below. What are your garden goals this season? Or share your favorite garden tips. I would love to know. So these are what we're going to repot. These are green onion seeds that I got when my green onion it like bloomed into a beautiful flower. I make sure I put like down below the videos or pictures that I have of this big blooming. I know I have it short. So it finally bloomed. Sorry, the trash can coming. Okay, you guys, now we're going to get ready to drill some holes into these pots that I got from the Dollar Tree store. As you can see, it's a little darker now. Like some of the video, you're going to see daytime, and this is like evening time. Like I mentioned, I have to wait for my boyfriend to get home to find the drill head to drill the holes in there. So we're going to get started with that. This is the Craftsman's drill. I don't know too much about drills, but this is the drill I'm going to be using. So my boyfriend, he helped me put in the drill bit inside. He's a handyman, so he did it. So we're gonna get started drilling. Okay, we got the drain hose, you guys. So now we're gonna get ready to do the second one. I don't think I was recording, you guys, so here we go. And what I'm gonna do, stick it. There you go. So keep your hands distance, safety, and we're gonna go all the way down. There we go. They have the marking for you to see. Out the X for drainage. Punch out the X for drainage. So we got our 3 draining holes so our flowers can be drained as we water them. Okay, so let's get started to transferring my flowers. I will be transferring my basil. Like I said, I wanted to grow some, have enough space in it. And we're gonna use this pot here, the one that I got from the Dollar Tree store. And once again, you guys smell it. Those are beautiful. So we're gonna take it out as careful as can be, and we're only gonna get all the roots. And I'm also gonna just use the soil that I have here already. And I see a little sprout, so I'm just gonna say goodbye to that and put it to the side. And so let's get the roots out. I'm just gonna use my hands, you guys. And we're gonna get messy here too as well. So raise your hand if you don't get messy while you garden. So I'm just going as deep as possible, pulling out all the roots. Oh, it smells so lovely, you guys. And can you guys see right there? I'm just gonna gently like open the roots up a little. So I'm doing this because I want, when I do this, like spread the roots, open the roots, it's giving the roots an opportunity to cling into their new home, the semi-new dirt that they're gonna have. So while I get that, I'm gently gonna lay this down, and I'm gonna pile in all the rest of the dirt here. Oh wow, look at the roots, you guys. More roots. Let me see if I can. It rooted so good. Can you guys see all those roots? So yeah. So I'm just gonna put the dirt in there, break up the soil, and I'm gonna get some more soil. I'll put that to the side. Ready for me. And my little shovel. I'm just gonna put this all in there. The soil that I use is just from like Home Depot, Walmart. It's the Miracle Grow soil that I get. I might have to stock up again this spring. Y'all like do, right? So I will add a little more soil into that. So like I said, we're gonna loosen up the roots so it can attach to its new environment, and put it down nicely again. I'm making, since it was like rectangle, I'm just gonna make a deep hole, making a nice hole in here to make its new home. Why do I have it? Why? Okay, so that is what we're repotting today. So I'm just gonna put it and push it in there, not harshly, but firmly push it in there to get it rooted. Get some more of this soil. And you guys, that is me repotting my basil, and I'm going to put some more water in here as well. I'm just going to water it, you guys. Before I water it, I'm just going to add just a little more soil. I want to get to the very, not the very top, but like maybe like an inch of room left of soil. Break it up, make sure we cover up like the bottom of this part right here. It smells so good as I move this around. Broke one. So now I got it to my liking. I'm just gonna firmly push it, and now we're just gonna add the water because we transfer it. So it might go into shock. It might be like, oh no, I just been moved out of my home. So it might go into shock. Like the day you wake up, you might see like, oh no, what happened to my flower? So like shocking, I mean, it might look kind of like sad, you know, withered and stuff and everything. So I'm making sure I water it. And here you guys go. I repotted. Yes, cupcake. No. So you guys, here you guys go. I repotted my basil. It's gonna probably grow bigger, and it smells so. Oh, I just love the smell of it, you guys. So using my Dollar Tree pot. My cat got scared. Using my Dollar Tree pot, and we're gonna set it aside. Guys, we're gonna use my green onion seeds that I collected over the years. I let them dry out, and I just like stored them in a jar. And I'm gonna collect as many as I can, and then I'm going to repot maybe 1 to 3 seeds in here. So let's get to that. So I'm gonna see if I can find some seeds. They're little black seeds that I'm looking for. I'm just gonna let them collect in this pot for a while. Crush them like that. Just crush them. Crushing. I got one already, guys. I can feel it. Okay, guys, can you guys see? Let's see. I got the seeds here, you guys. So I don't know how to show you guys without them falling. But I got 3 black seeds here, a few actually. They're really small, you guys. So I'm just gonna put them in some soil. You don't have to cover these seeds. They say not to cover, so I'm just gonna simply do that and let nature take its course and check on them in a few weeks. And that is that. So there we go. Now I'm gonna put this somewhere in the garden. Okay, guys, behind this window, I call it my propagation window. I am propagating something. You wanna know what it is? Continue watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna try to propagate some parsley. That's right. So I started on the 12th. I think today is like the 16th or the 17th. I will double check. And so it's been a few days. I've been keeping it watered and put it in the window of my apartment sill. So doing that. So I'm gonna take you over some things that I propagated. Propagated some basil, some rosemary, and here's my other basil. So you guys, I went to the Dollar Tree store and I budget myself, you guys. I budget myself. I said, no, you're not gonna buy so many things. But I had to pick up these, not had to, you know, these are things that I wanted. It was not a must-have, but things I wanted, and they're so cute. I got these garden pots here. You need to drill some holes in them. So I'm going to use a drill to drill the holes in them. So this might be a two-part video because I have to wait till my boyfriend gets home so I can get the drill head. I have the drill, but I don't know where he put the drill head. So here's the holes right here. So you need to drill some holes. Got it in white. At my local Dollar Tree store, they didn't have so many colors. They had this color, and they had white, and they had this also like, what's that color that's like a taupe, semi-orange color that they had. So the white one is, hide it from you guys, hide it. If they had this, and if this was a cat, I would have brought their whole shelf. I would have used all my savings, just joking. But this is the cute. I might get another one, and I'm gonna see where I should put it at in my garden. So I'm thinking, where should I put it at in my garden? Should Cupcake help me decide where I should put it at? Cupcake, where should I put this at? Here? Should I put it here? I don't know, but I love it. It's so cute. So cute. I can't wait to see it age, you know what I'm saying? Like get a little darker green, maybe some fungi, I don't know. It's so cute. I like it. The one that I got is this one. It says, be your best. Be your best. This is really cute too. Favorite. Well, one of my favorites. They're all my favorites, but this one I'm thinking I'm really gonna probably pick up another one. It is a garden flower pot hanger. So I'm just imagining you just hang it on your flower pot, and it has these little hooks right here. I'm loving the bees. It's so cute. You guys, we gotta save our bees, okay? It's so cute. So I'm thinking like, where should I put it? Okay, you guys, that is that. I hope you enjoyed my garden video. I hope you maybe learned something new, or maybe you're inspired and motivated to start growing your garden or starting a pot garden and getting ready for the spring. So I really hope you enjoyed this, you guys. I can't stop smelling the basil. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and please feel free to share this video and maybe motivate a friend. So once again, thank you for watching. Start growing.